Bobby and welcome back to She's So Random. You can see I got a haircut. I know I've got to fix my fringe up and get a brush, and just got a cut yesterday, so looking a bit better than I was, and got the trusty gloves on. I know, I'm aware I have to get my nails done. I was on TikTok recently and I come across a video from this male makeup artist about doing wings. What it is he calls it a bat wing liner. So I will insert the video for you to watch along with this, give you an idea of what's going to happen, but I want to test it out. So he said, you know, you get most chicks and they just go straight up, flick, whatever. You know, it's easy, but they said if you've got like hooded eyes a bit, like how I have, I don't know if that's with age or I don't know what's happening. I never really took any notice until I started trying to do the wing liner. So we're going to give it a try. So he says to draw a straight line up here. So I'm going to take this off, this little thing, and I'm just gonna use my mirror, and we're going to do a straight line out, as he says. He says just do a straight line like out to about where your crease is, and yeah, we'll go from there. So this is just my L'Oreal pen that I reviewed one time. I'm just gonna look down here at my mirror, so we'll see if we can get this, hey? So go from the corner. I really try and like get these perfect, but like it doesn't always work out, and it's like okay, so I think I've got that pretty okay. So he said draw, I've already fucked it up a bit. He said draw a line to, oh well, yeah, okay, that looks about right. I'd say that's where, maybe a bit higher than my crease. We'll see if it'll work out, otherwise still got this eye. So he said go ahead and just line the waterline, so I'll do that. Okay, look, I've tried to line it as neatly as possible. Okay, now this is the next step. He said he said put a little mark to your crease, kind of thing, like go like, I know, so there. He said do that to where your crease is. So see how like, let me look. See how like there it looks a little bit better. It's kind of with the crease. And then he said go straight down and fill it in. So let's try and do this. So I tried to get it as perfect as I can, and he said that's why you can see it's called a bat wing. So it is still drying. It's all about having a steady hand too. Like, I'd like to say I got a steady hand, but I think with the coffee and the ciggies lately, I've been, you know, a bit ugh. But yeah. I suppose like see where it connects there. Like if I'm looking. But then I suppose like I could feel like above the line a little bit thicker. I don't know, that actually makes my eye look a bit more up, doesn't it? But you can still, like, I could see the hood there, you could see that. But hey, I actually think it works. So should I try the other one? Because this is going to be like trying to get them even. Let me freehand it this time without using the stencil, and let's see if we can do it. I don't want to get too cocky and think, you know, I'm a pro at this like I always do, and it never turns out that way. Okay, you can clearly see a big difference. I wouldn't recommend drawing it freehand, the lines and that. I'd say use tape or a card or something. So I can notice a big difference from using the stencil thing, the little flippy floppy thing, for this side compared to my freehand this side. Because see how this looks more like a bat wing and that doesn't? But then let's see how it would go, just while we're here just mucking around with it. Let's see how it would go if I just connect this straight over. Okay, so that was freehand. And you can see it was still wet when I shut my eyes or opened them, that it's left that little bit of transfer. Okay, it's not too bad. I mean, you could clean that up, but I like this side. I like the bat wing style. So, but look, I think if you're looking like that angle, it actually doesn't look that bad to do a bat wing. Love it. If only I could perfect the other side properly too, I think we'd be on a roll, you know, have the things working and going the way we want them. But yeah, it was quick and easy, and I wanted to try it because, as I said, I seen it on TikTok and I thought, hey, if anything's going to help me, you know, I need to try them out. So that was the bat wing liner. Go make myself a nice hot cup of coffee and then we'll come back for another video. So stick around, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my silly reviews. And as always, I'm going to love you and leave you until my next video. So until then, take it easy, take care, and I'll see you then.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.